Academia is the annual flagship event of Sinjab Academy. Its core mission is to optimize skill transfer by creating a dedicated environment that prioritizes high-level ophthalmology education. We have designed academia to work on three complementary strategies: technology, workshops, and wet labs. This combination ensures that delegates receive a comprehensive educational experience. One of our key highlights is the one-to-one hands-on wet labs, where each delegate is paired with an instructor. This ensures maximum attention and an optimal learning experience. The wet labs are meticulously designed and equipped with advanced tools from renowned industries. Delegates get to practice all steps of various procedures, such as cataract surgery, from the initial incision to capsulorhexis, phacoemulsification, and lens implantation. The goal is to provide delegates with a real-world immersive experience. The workshops are highly interactive and cover practical, clinically and surgically relevant topics. Our speakers tailor their sessions to deliver concise and impactful information. Every minute is designed to add value, avoiding redundancy. This ensures that attendees gain the most out of their time. Academia serves as a bridge between top industries and ophthalmology professionals. Industries have two main avenues to showcase their innovation: presenting their technology in the main auditorium during the Technology Day and displaying their products at dedicated exhibition booths. This creates a dynamic space for interaction and exploration of cutting-edge advancements. We have invited internationally renowned experts. Their presence guarantees a rich learning experience for all attendees. I see academia as a global forum, a place where professionals and industries come together to connect, innovate, and elevate the field of ophthalmology. We are thrilled to host Academia in Dubai, April 17 to 19, 2025. We look forward to welcoming ophthalmologists and healthcare professionals from around the world to this transformative event. Academia is more than an event. It is a unique opportunity to experience the future of ophthalmology education and innovation.